Welcome back. What's going on, everybody? If you're new to the channel, my name is Danny and this is Alger Adventures. We're out here camping. We're gonna go for a little ride, see what we can find. There's a trail I see on the map I'm gonna try to attempt to do, but I know there's some ranching area and yeah, see what we get into. All right, so I'm testing out a new thing, a way to hold my tablet, an 8-inch tablet, on the trails. It made it through the washboard roads better than my phone, but we'll see how it does on a trail. But this is it.
Oh, Mama.
And it's just a Scosche mount, magnet mount. So this will be the first official test.
Excuse you.
Don't forget to close your gates behind you. You gonna poke a dead cow with a stick?
No, I was gonna get the head for you.
Oh, I don't really want it.
Why? Let's put it in the front yard.
Because we'll come back when there's no fur on it.
That's a calf. It's a baby.
Probably a mountain lion or coyote got it. Kids are yelling. Where are you gonna put that?
On the roof. What?
Nothing?
I don't understand. Look how cool it is. I'm gonna go to the right. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Are we setting up cameras?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So after a trail run and after some burgers for lunch, we're just hanging out. Obviously, still can't have campfires, so dry out here. And actually, up near Crown King, there's a fire. So best wishes to all of them up there. But we're just hanging out. Over here this morning, let's see, near that tree, way over there near that tree, there's a bunch of deer, about 12 of them. So hopefully this morning when we wake up, I'll be able to catch them on camera, as long as the dog's scent hasn't scared them away. But yeah, we're just enjoying family time, relaxing, hanging out. Don't know if we're gonna do anything else. What do you think, buds?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
What do you have?
I have monster trucks.
You have your monster trucks?
Yeah.
Well guys, as you can tell, we're all packed up and ready to go. We are leaving a little bit early, and that's okay because it's for a good reason. My younger sister had her first baby boy, so congratulations to my sister Autumn and her husband Jason. and the new baby Reed. Can't wait to get home and see you guys. Very excited, kids especially. But yeah, we had fun. Hope you like that trail. Nothing too difficult. It's hot, sorry. But there was enough that, you know, use 4-wheel drive. And that's what it's about. Go and find new spots, adventures, having fun. Appreciate you guys watching. Till next time, see ya.